So what's going on, guys? This is Mike with Anything Goes Project, and today we're going to be working on a little slingshot project. We're going to be using some natural antlers, some that I found while I was up in the mountains doing a hike. These obviously were killed by some sort of predator because these weren't fell. So with that, let's get started.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
Alrighty, the first thing we're doing is taking this saw here and I'm cutting off one of the tines off of this particular little antler set. Got another one on this tine over on here. It's almost identical. Car coming by. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take this natural fork and a tine and we're going to turn it into a slingshot. We'll see how it goes. Safety warning, I will be taking this into the shop and actually doing some grinding on it. If you're going to be grinding on bone, antlers, or anything of that nature, wear a face mask. You don't want to inhale the dust off a bone or antler. Very damaging to your lungs and can really jack you up. So it's just a little safety tip. So just remember that if you're going to have to do any sanding on antler. So with that, let's jump right into it. Okay, we're back. Little natty made out of the deer horn and the antler. You can see right here where my finger's at, a can hanging from the tree. We're gonna try it out, tied it on, some natural latex, and cars going by, so. All right, so I'm using some clay shot. There's a car over there, right about there. That's not in my line of fire, so don't worry about it. Don't freak out if you see it on video and be like, what the hell? Okay, so we'll do a couple shots with it, play around, pick it, and see what we can do. It's very, very windy out here. Got my band twisted right off the bat. Get back the way you need to be. That would have been a little bit of an overshot. Okay. So, here we go. Man, it's windy. The tripod's blowing back and forth. Alright, so. That sounds good too. Sounds good. Good and hard hit. Alright. Let's do one more. See what we think. thing is knocking the crap out of it. Okay, so basically all this is just the fork out of a deer antler that I found while we was on one of our hiking trips and like week-long excursions. So yeah, want to make a natty? Go out and find yourself some deer shed and find that fork where it fits good and comfortable in the hand. You can see right here, put myself a little flat spot right here so I know that's where my thumb goes, and pull back. Look at that, it's good and straight. Use the corner up there to sight on. Boom, good to go. So let me get another one of my little clay shots here. Do one more shot before we head inside and call this video a wrap. Missed. All right, with that, guys, hit the subscribe button, follow. If you like what you saw today, today was just a really short video of me piddle farting around, making a little natty, showing you how to do it. Next week, I'm probably going to go and do a bunch of cutting down of some natural forks. I got a bunch of red oak out here that I've harvested over the past year, and they are all dry. So it's time to start cutting some forks. We can start making some natural red oak slingshots. I think those things will be badass and pretty when they get done well. So hit the subscribe button, follow, share, hit our website at www.anythinggoesproject.com. Down below in the description, we've also got a link to all the handkerchiefs that we'll be selling. So with that, guys, we'll talk to you later. You guys have a wonderful 4th of July. You guys have a wonderful 4th of July holiday. So with that, we're out of here.